Best coffee shops that are loved by digital nomads. Stumptown Coffee Roasters, Portland, USA. Known for its exceptional coffee and cozy atmosphere, it's a haven for freelancers and digital nomads. Café de Flore, Paris, France. An iconic café with a rich history, it's a favorite spot for creatives seeking inspiration. Café Grumpy, New York City, USA. Renowned for its quality coffee and welcoming ambiance, it's a hotspot for remote workers. Tim Wendelboe, Oslo, Norway. A specialty coffee shop that's a go-to for those who appreciate artisanal coffee. The Barn, Berlin, Germany. A minimalist gem serving outstanding coffee, making it a popular spot for remote work. Café Gratitude, Los Angeles, USA. A trendy café with a focus on health and sustainability, attracting digital nomads seeking nourishing options. The Attendant, London, UK. A unique café set in a former Victorian restroom, offering a distinctive atmosphere. Café Melbourne, Australia. A Melbourne staple known for its excellent coffee and friendly vibe, drawing in freelancers and digital nomads. Fika, Stockholm, Sweden. A quintessential Swedish café culture experience, perfect for working while enjoying coffee and pastries. Toby's Estate, Sydney, Australia. A roastery and café with a vibrant community feel, making it a popular spot for remote work. Nomad Coffee, Barcelona, Spain. A specialty coffee shop that's a favorite among the city's digital nomad community. Café Craft, Paris, France. A county working café that offers great coffee and a productive atmosphere. Café Java's, Kampala, Uganda. A modern café chain known for its coffee and accommodating work environment. Third Space, Dublin, Ireland. A versatile café offering excellent coffee and a welcoming space for freelancers. The Coffee Collective, Copenhagen, Denmark. A place for exceptional coffee and a tranquil workspace, enjoyed by digital nomads. Antipodean Café, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. A beloved café that's popular among digital nomads for its cozy setting and quality coffee. Ditta Artigianali, Florence, Italy. A chic café known for its artisanal coffee and friendly environment. Common Man Coffee Roasters, Singapore. A spacious café that's perfect for work sessions and coffee enthusiasts alike. Phil's Coffee, San Francisco, USA. Renowned for its personalized coffee blends, it's a spot to work and enjoy unique flavors. Café Kitsune, Tokyo, Japan. A stylish café serving quality coffee, making it a great place for digital nomads to unwind and work. Give a like and follow us to learn more about the digital nomad laptop lifestyle.